Well, it's shaping up to be a beautiful day today, wouldn't you say, sweetie?
Yes.
Crisp blue skies on this fall day, puffy white clouds. We had some storm clouds come in earlier, but nothing but a bit of drizzle, which is fine because I've got some duties to do here around the homestead still. I guess you could say I'm a little bit behind, but I've got to get the rain gutters done today. Do you want to help me with that? I didn't think so. That's okay though, because I've got a solution this year that I'm employing. It's going to save a bunch of time and a bunch of effort getting these rain gutters clean. You know what I'm going to do?
What you have to do?
Come check it out.
Okay, let's go.
All right, so here's what we're dealing with in our gutters this year. We've got leaves, small twigs, we've got pine needles, different parts of the pine cone. But I've got this amazing little gutter cleaning scraper tool that attaches to an extension pole that I found is comfortable at about 8 feet out, which is going to allow me to set up the ladder in a location and reach out 8 feet down either side, so I can get a total of around 16 feet of gutter clean before having to move the ladder. This is going to save me a ton of time and effort and make quick work out of this task. And here's what the tool looks like. It just threads right onto the end of an extension pole, and this little scooper right here is used to scrape down throughout the rain gutter, and then you can actually flip this side around and push it under your rain gutter brackets to get it closer to you. So as you can see, it just threads right onto your extension pole. Now you could also use this as a hand tool and scrape this way, but if you don't have an extension pole, you could actually use the handle of a broom if it has a threaded end on it and still get 5-6 feet of reach. So here we go. I've got quite a bit of distance between me and the end of the rain gutter. I'm going to show you how it works. Check it out. And we'll start to scrape all this material towards me. So when you get to a bracket like right here, you can turn the tool around and use this end to push it through. Flip your tool back and continue scraping. And now, without moving my ladder, I'm going to now start to work from the other side towards myself. And there you have it. I've got this entire run of gutter clean, and I never even had to move my ladder. And now you can remove all of the crud in just one location. You can do that mostly by hand, but I also want to share with you this other very low-cost tool that works great. This is called the Gutter Getter, and it's flexible. It fits right into any size rain gutter, and you can simply scoop along. Get all that crud in there. And this tool will also slide under your gutter attachment brackets. So very convenient that way. So in literally just a couple minutes, we got all this debris off the roof. I took what would usually be probably about a 10 to 15 minute job and turned it into a 2-minute job. So I give both this gutter scraping tool and the gutter scoop tool a 10 out of 10. These are wonderful products to add to your homestead, your farmstead, cut back on your work time, and make your task more ergonomic. If you want to learn more or pick up these tools for yourself, check the links down below. And as always, if you got something out of this video, or at least you found it entertaining, be be sure to smash that thumb button. Until next time, this is Dan from PlantAbundance.com. Take care. We'll be talking to you again soon.